Greetings. Welcome to Destination Do's, your guide to the best activities and the most amazing locations on the planet. We've put together a list of the top 10 things to do in Los Angeles to make your trip unforgettable. Stay tuned until the end, as we've added 2 amusing facts at various points throughout the video. Let's get started. Number 10. Visit the Griffith Observatory. If you're planning a trip to Los Angeles, one must-visit destination that should be on your list is the Griffith Observatory. This iconic spot is perched on the edge of Griffith Park and offers breathtaking views of the city, making it a must-see attraction for any visitor. The observatory is free to enter and offers visitors a range of experiences, from learning about astronomy to hiking in Griffith Park. The main highlight is the Samuel Oschin Planetarium, which features stunning shows that take you on a journey through space and time. Another must-do activity at the observatory is stargazing. You can peer through telescopes to see the moon, stars, and planets up close, and even catch a glimpse of the famous Hollywood sign in the distance. The observatory is also a popular spot for photo opportunities. From the stunning views of the city to the iconic architecture of the building itself, you'll want to capture every moment. With the Griffith Observatory being an ideal destination for astronomy enthusiasts, hikers, and those looking to enjoy breathtaking views of Los Angeles, be sure to include it in your itinerary and prepare to be awed by the beauty of the cosmos and the city below. Number 9. Stroll down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. If you're a fan of movies, television, or music, a stroll down the Hollywood Walk of Fame is an absolute must when visiting LA. This iconic sidewalk is lined with more than 2,600 brass stars, each one bearing the name of a famous celebrity. As you walk down the boulevard, you'll be able to spot the stars of some of your favorite actors, musicians, and directors. From Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley to Meryl Streep and Tom Hanks, the Walk of Fame is a who's who of Hollywood legends. But the Walk of Fame isn't just about spotting famous names. You'll also find a range of shops, restaurants, and theaters along the way. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a movie premiere or other star-studded event. In summary, the Hollywood Walk of Fame offers a delightful and free experience for pop culture aficionados. Lace up your walking shoes and get ready to stroll through Hollywood history. Number 8. Take a day trip to Santa Monica. When visiting Los Angeles, a day trip to Santa Monica should be at the top of your list. This coastal town is known for its beautiful beaches, lively boardwalk, and iconic pier, making it the perfect destination for a day of fun and relaxation. Start your day off by taking a stroll along the Santa Monica Pier, which is home to a range of attractions, including an amusement park, aquarium, and dozens of shops and restaurants. You can also catch some stunning ocean views and maybe even spot some sea lions lounging on the nearby rocks. Afterward, head over to the beach and soak up some sun or take a dip in the Pacific Ocean. If you're feeling adventurous, rent a bike or rollerblades and cruise down the boardwalk. You'll pass by a variety of street vendors and performers, as well as some unique shops and cafes. Santa Monica provides an excellent respite from LA's hustle and bustle, offering a fun and laid-back atmosphere that makes it perfect for a day trip. Don't forget to add it to your itinerary and prepare to experience the best of California's coastline. Number 7. Explore the Getty Center. If you're looking for an enriching cultural experience during your visit to LA, the Getty Center should definitely be on your list. This world-renowned art museum and research center is located in the hills above West LA and is home to a vast collection of art and artifacts from around the world. The Getty Center's collection includes everything from ancient sculptures to contemporary paintings, and includes works by artists such as Van Gogh, Rembrandt, and Monet. You can spend hours wandering through the galleries, taking in the stunning artwork and learning about different eras and cultures. In addition to the art, the Getty Center's architecture and gardens are also worth exploring. The museum's buildings were designed by famed architect Richard Meier and feature striking modernist design and panoramic views of the city below. The gardens, which are meticulously maintained, provide a peaceful retreat from the bustling city. The Getty Center, an essential stop for art lovers and those interested in the world's cultural heritage, is sure to inspire and amaze you with its stunning artwork and surroundings. Make sure it's on your to-visit list. Number 6. catch a game at Dodger Stadium. When visiting Los Angeles, catching a game at Dodger Stadium should be on the top of your to-do list, especially if you're a sports fan. As one of the most iconic baseball stadiums in the country, Dodger Stadium has a rich history and provides an unbeatable game day experience. The stadium itself is situated in the heart of Chavez Ravine and boasts stunning views of the surrounding hills and city skyline. The atmosphere on game day is electric, with passionate fans cheering on the home team and enjoying classic ballpark fare such as hot dogs and peanuts. The Dodgers themselves are a storied franchise, with a long list of Hall of Fame players and multiple World Series titles to their name. Watching them play at Dodger Stadium is an unforgettable experience, especially during a heated rivalry game against the San Francisco Giants. Whether you're an avid baseball fan or simply seeking a fun and unique afternoon activity in LA, attending a game at Dodger Stadium is a must-do. Grab your cap and a cold drink, and prepare to cheer for the home team. And now for our first bonus fun fact. Los Angeles is home to the world's shortest railway, the Angels Flight Railway. It consists of two funicular cars that travel on a steep incline, connecting Hill Street and Grand Avenue in downtown LA. It's a popular tourist attraction and has even made appearances in several movies. If you're finding the video interesting, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Additionally, we'd love to hear your suggestions for future top 10 lists, so feel free to leave your requests in the comments below. Number 5. Hike to the Hollywood Sign. One of the most iconic landmarks in LA is the Hollywood Sign, and one of the best ways to get up close and personal with it is by hiking to it. The hike is a great way to get some exercise while enjoying stunning views of the city and surrounding hills. There are several different routes you can take to get to the Hollywood Sign, each with its own level of difficulty and length. One popular option is the Mount Hollywood Trail, which is about 6 miles round trip and takes you to a viewpoint with a great view of the sign. Along the way, you'll pass through scenic Griffith Park, which is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including the occasional coyote or deer. You'll also get a chance to see some other famous LA landmarks, such as the Griffith Observatory and the Greek Theater. Once you reach the Hollywood Sign, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking view of the sign and the city below. It's a great spot for taking photos and soaking in the beauty of LA. Hiking to the Hollywood Sign offers a singular and rewarding experience that combines physical activity, nature, and culture. Include it in your itinerary and be prepared to work up a sweat while taking in some of the city's best views. Number 4. Visit Universal Studios Hollywood. If you're looking for a fun and thrilling way to spend a day in Los Angeles, a visit to Universal Studios Hollywood is a must. This world-renowned theme park and movie studio offers a unique experience that combines exciting rides, live entertainment, and a behind-the-scenes look at the world of filmmaking. One of the park's biggest draws is its selection of heart-pumping rides, such as the Jurassic World ride, which takes you on a wild adventure through a world of prehistoric dinosaurs. For those looking for a milder option, the studio tour is a must-see attraction that takes you through the backlit of a real Hollywood movie studio. In addition to the rides, Universal Studios Hollywood offers a variety of live shows and attractions, such as the Waterworld Stunt Show, where you'll witness amazing live stunts performed in a giant aquatic arena. And for those who want a taste of the Hollywood lifestyle, Universal Studios offers a range of VIP experiences that allow you to explore the movie studio and get exclusive behind-the-scenes access to some of your favorite TV shows and movies. A trip to Universal Studios guarantees an unforgettable experience with attractions for everyone. Add it to your LA itinerary and prepare for a day of exhilaration and enjoyment. Number 3. Take a drive down Mulholland Drive. If you're looking for a scenic drive that offers stunning views of Los Angeles, a trip down Mulholland Drive should definitely be on your itinerary. This iconic road winds its way through the Hollywood Hills and offers breathtaking vistas of the city skyline, the San Fernando Valley, and the Pacific Ocean. As you make your way along Mulholland Drive, you'll pass by some of the most exclusive and luxurious homes in LA, as well as famous landmarks like the Hollywood Bowl and the Griffith Observatory. You'll also have the chance to stop at various lookout points along the way to take in the breathtaking panoramic views. So, hop in the car, roll down the windows, and enjoy the stunning scenery as you make your way down Mulholland Drive. You won't regret it. Number 2. Visit the original farmers market. If you're looking for a taste of authentic LA culture, a visit to the original farmers market is a must. Located in the heart of Hollywood, this historic market has been a local institution since 1934 and offers a unique shopping and dining experience that's unlike anything else in the city. With over 100 vendors selling everything from fresh produce and seafood to artisanal cheeses and spices, the original farmers market is a food lover's paradise. You can sample delicious street food from around the world or sit down for a meal at one of the many restaurants and cafes that line the market's outdoor patio. But the original farmers market isn't just about food. It's also a hub of cultural activity, with live music, art exhibits, and community events happening all year round. And with its close proximity to other Hollywood landmarks like the TCL Chinese Theater and the Walk of Fame, it's the perfect place to take a break from sightseeing and soak up some local flavor. So, whether you're a foodie, a culture vulture, or just looking for a fun and unique way to spend an afternoon, the original farmers market is a must-visit destination in LA. Moving on to the second of our bonus fun facts. The famous LA County Museum of Art is home to a unique outdoor installation called the Urban Light. It features 202 restored street lamps from the 1920s and 1930s, creating a dazzling display that attracts visitors day and night. The Urban Light has become an iconic symbol and is a favorite spot for photography and Instagram enthusiasts. Number 1. Visiting Venice Beach. Venice Beach is one of the most iconic destinations in LA, and for good reason. This vibrant and eclectic neighborhood is famous for its long stretch of sandy beach, colorful boardwalk, and quirky street performers, making it a must-visit spot for anyone looking to experience the vibrant energy of LA. Whether you're into surfing, swimming, or sunbathing, Venice Beach has something for everyone. Take a stroll along the boardwalk and check out the local vendors selling everything from handmade jewelry to unique street art. Grab a bite to eat at one of the many outdoor cafes or food trucks, and catch some live music or entertainment as the sun sets over the Pacific. Venice Beach is also a hub of creativity and artistic expression, with a thriving local community of artists, musicians, and performers. You never know what you might discover on a trip to this neighborhood, making it a great destination for anyone looking to experience the unique and vibrant culture of LA. Thanks for tuning into our Top 10 video. Make sure to subscribe and let us know which number you liked best in the comments. We have a lot of exciting content planned for the future. For now, explore our playlist for additional travel spots. See you soon in the next adventure.